Hey fourth graders, welcome back to another math lesson. Today we're just going to be focusing on multiplication and making sure we're all on the same page with the area model. To be more specific, the two problems that we're going to be focusing on are problems where it's 2-digit times 2-digit. So we're going to be doing some decomposing of both of our factors to get our answer with our area model. And we're going to focus on 4-digit by 1-digit. Again, area model is, we can use the area model and we're going to use our decomposing skills to get our final answer. So let's get started with the first one. As you can see, it says 13 times 29. So again, those are pretty ugly numbers. So what we can do is we make them easier to handle by decomposing them. 13 is the same as 10 plus 3, and 29 can be decomposed into 20 plus 9. So now I can work with these decomposed numbers. I'm going to create my box, and I'm going to break my box in half both ways, kind of like a window. And then I'm going to start labeling my sides. I try to keep the numbers together. So I have 13 plus 3, and I have 20 plus 9. And so as you can see, it's still 13 times 29. It's just written in a different way. And now we're going to start multiplying. We're going to be multiplying each of our numbers to put into our box to create our partial products. So I have 20 times 10, which is 200. Then I have 20 times 3, which is 60. I have 9 times 10, which is 90. And 9 times 3, which is 27. Now it's my job to take all of my partial products and add them up. So I already see 290, so that's already 290. So I could put that there. So I'm going to start adding. I'm going to add 290 plus 60, 0, 5, I have 350, and I'm going to add the last, you can even cross them out when you're finished, the last 27, 7, 7, 3. So the answer to 13 times 29 is 377. So again, my first step was decomposing each of my factors because they were both kind of ugly and I wanted to make it easier for myself. Then I created an area model, which was kind of like a window, and I labeled all of my sides. I started to multiply for each box, and then I added up all my four partial products. I added them to get my 377. So that was the first question. Now for the second question, 1,524 times 5. Again, the same idea here. This really is the same as 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4, right? Just decomposed. So I'm going to keep my 5 the same, and I'm going to start creating my box. And I'm going to put the 5 on the outside. I'm going to start breaking up my box into my decomposed numbers. 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. And now again, just like last time, I'm going to start multiplying my 5 to each one of these decomposed parts. So I'm going to start 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. 5 times 500 is 2,500 or 2,500. 5 times 20, 100. 5 times 4, 20. So now I'm taking my partial products again, and it's time to add them. So I already see, I want to make my life easier. These two together, 120. So I can kind of get rid of those. And I'm going to start adding 5,000 plus 2,500. That's 7,500. And then I'm going to add the 120. 0, 2, 6, 7. So my final answer for 1,524 times 5 is 7,620. So again, same steps going on here. We decomposed the bigger, uglier number. For this time, we kept the 5 the same because that was easy for us to handle. especially if you know your 5 times tables. We found our partial products of all 4 of them, added them up to get our final answer. So I hope this was helpful. Both of these kinds of problems, you're going to be doing similar work in your independent work, so good luck with that, and thanks for watching.